In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Google Drive restricted videos. Before we begin, a quick but important note. We're only talking about downloading content you have the right to access. We won't bypass protections or show any tricks to defeat restrictions. Instead, I'll show you how to get a legitimate download when the owner has granted permission and how to request that access if you don't have it yet. First, make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account. If you use multiple accounts, switch to the one that was granted access and refresh the page. When you open the video in Google Drive's preview player, look for a download icon or try right-clicking the file in your drive and selecting download. If the option is missing, it simply means downloading is disabled by the owner. If you can view the video but can't download it, use the Request Access button or the Share dialog to send a clear, polite message to the owner. Briefly explain why you need a downloadable copy and how you'll use it. Once the owner updates permissions, you'll receive an email. Reopen the file after approval and you should see the download option appear. If you are the owner or the person who shared the video, open the Share settings, click the gear icon, and make sure the option that allows viewers and commenters to download. Print and copy is enabled. You can also adjust who has access, such as specific people or anyone with the link, depending on your needs and policies. After saving these settings, viewers can refresh the page and use the built-in download button or right-click download. If downloading still isn't available, ask the owner to provide a copy directly. They can right-click the file in Drive and choose Download to create a shareable file or make a copy and share that copy with you. For large files that hit download limits, waiting 24 hours or asking the owner to share a fresh copy often resolves quota issues. If you see a warning that the file can't be scanned for viruses due to size, click Download anyway if you trust the source. On mobile, with permission in place, open the Google Drive app. Tap the three dots next to the video and choose Download. Alternatively, Make Available Offline lets you watch without internet on that device. Always respect copyright and the file owner's settings. Following these steps keeps you compliant while getting the access you need. Thanks for watching.